Let's meet Ian, a senior in the Shiley School of Engineering. Ian is one of those students who could fill an entire episode with everything he's involved in. At the center of it all is Ian's faith journey. And pay special attention to the unique way he gets around campus. Ian, you're on.
Thanks, Alex. Yes, I am a senior computer science major, but that's only part of my UP story. I started out as a commuter student, and with so many events and activities happening day and night, I found myself spending all of my time on campus. I got involved in clubs and campus ministry and quickly made a ton of friends. Attending a Catholic university was really important to me, and UP's campus ministry is one of my favorite things about the school. I've been on several retreats, joined clubs like Catholic Conversations, and Fish, our non-denominational Christian club. I sing with the chapel choir, and I play piano for the daily masses in the residence halls. I'm always finding something fun happening on campus, from free mocktails in St. Mary's Lounge to cultural events like Hawaii's Club Luau. You especially don't want to miss Rock the Bluff, a huge concert that brings in big talent each spring. And during the holidays, we light up the tallest living Christmas tree in the state of Oregon. Alongside all those clubs and activities, I'm also getting great preparation for my career. I traveled to Florida for a NASA competition with the Robotics Club, and through the multiple engineering co-op program, I got 2 paid 6-month internships. My first one being at Daimler Trucks, which has given me the best work experience I could have asked for. UP really invests in its students, offering a wide range of programs to gain real-world experience outside of the classroom. And the Career Education Center does an incredible job connecting students with internships, jobs, and networking opportunities, so we're prepared for whatever comes next. I was worried about making friends and pursuing my faith in college, but now I'm known as the unicycle guy who's involved in pretty much everything. I really found my people and my place at University of Portland. Back to you, Alex. Time to roll to my next class.
And I think that's a college tour. First, a musically gifted robotics club leader who rolls up on a unicycle. No matter how you show up, you're a shining example of UP's mission in action, with faith and formation as key pillars of the student experience. Thanks again, Ian.